Petty fam? We're back with another video. We're doing the night she caught the bouquet. Ow, Reginae at the wedding. She caught the bouquet. Let's see it. Let's get into it. Thank you, Armoney. I'm glad you recorded this. Yes.
Yeah, you can see. Shout out to Jazz, y'all. She got my camera settings beautiful. You gotta say what up, Nick.
Hey.
Nick landed last night and instantly got drunk. No, I'm playing. Let me stop. Let me stop. She got right off the flight and just got straight drunk. She was drunk. She was drunk before I got there.
Not before you got there.
And I was with her all day. You know what I'm saying? There go them members, man. With that shit on over here in Cabo, man. Yeah. Y'all know, man. You know, just a little Balenci. Little NC, Pensy, Stincy. Yes, sir. Zip check. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hey, come on, man.
Y'all know my
drip check, man.
You know what I'm saying? Little white tee, we got a little, you know what I'm saying? Look, shorts, you know what I'm saying?
Big boy rolly, though.
You know what I'm
That's not the
saying?
little.
Y'all see the new piece, though, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the big way.
You know how we do it, man. Y'all know how we do it, man.
Yeah, the big way.
Where we at, man? What's this little spot?
We on the way to go get some breakfast. You feel what I'm saying? We gotta show y'all this view, man.
Yeah, the view is.
Oh my God.
We got the ladies with us.
Is that last night was the motion?
We all came right there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm sitting down and I'm sitting with this Kirk member, sushi.
Mm-hmm.
And they finished up folks with me.
Right.
They finished. I was drinking. So I told the guy I just want one of those. But then he goes away. I'm the only one there. So I dozed off.
Oh, you sleeping at the bar?
No, right in the couch over there.
Oh, okay.
In the little bit.
I'm about to say, come on, bro. You can't be sleeping at the bar.
No, not the bar. No.
Okay,
so
okay.
Anyway, so I look up and there ain't nobody around. So I walk over right here and I was asleep long enough to where my food was ready.
And you seen the mountain light.
Oh man, wait. And I told them what they're eating.
Oh.
You ain't got all day. You trying to rest your story. What's the point, sir?
But they had ordered.
What is you trying to tell us? You know Armoney being petty. He like, I ain't got time for this long story. I got more exciting things to do today, but hear what your experiences are.
Things. So they gave me 3 sushis. So it was too late. I already ordered it. I had to pay for it.
Damn.
Right.
So I woke up. Just glad to be alive. Oh, did you find it? Okay, cool. You skated out with free food. I'm just glad to be alive.
All right, man. It's we glad that you alive, brother.
We glad that you alive, brother.
Man, all right, bro. We gonna have to keep it moving with his ass. Hey, look, he had talked to us until we leave it, bitch, on the 17th.
Right. You know, you can't be nice to everybody. Like, you woke up with sushi. Like, what? No, seriously, what?
C 210. Sis, what you got going on, sis?
Hey man, I'm just ready.
You
to
out here
eat.
thugging with gang?
I'm out here thugging.
How you feeling, man?
I'm trying to hold my tears back, man, to the wedding.
Nah, you
I'm
being around
definitely crying
they gonna make you cry.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely crying.
They gonna make you cry. Buenos dias, you guys. Buenos dias. Buenos dias.
You know what I'm saying?
Wait. I gotta record this. Cause I'm bringing a whole party here now, huh? Everybody want French toast?
We want the French toast, like
You getting French toast? Oh my God. You getting French toast too? Yo, you see, I just made your French toast very famous.
I want a French toast.
Bro, I just made that French toast. Oh, you want a French toast too?
I want some French toast.
Bro, no, bro.
Get French toast.
Yeah.
I need some French toast.
Bro, I'm hot.
French toast, man. What you know about that, bro? You know I know.
I put them.
Better grab the first one and keep it moving. Cause you know, that grill will be hot and the last French toast to come out ain't gonna be as good as the first one.
I put everybody on it. He did. You wouldn't even be coming here active French toast if you ain't hear everybody.
I eat that on a regular.
Okay, bro. Okay. Yeah, so they got different things. And this is my baby. Baby, hey, I just ran into you. What you doing? You wanna give me a kiss? Kiss him.
I'm getting my
Babe, why are you trying to make your plate like mine's yesterday, bro? Babe, can you stop trying to be like me? Please?
We got sis.
Please, like.
It's the camera. That bitch was old. I got you. It was
Mister, it don't break.
The door don't break.
Broke that bitch twin.
Damn!
That bitch came all the way off.
Just put it back in there.
Go the other way.
Yeah, I am.
Gotta hit that bitch with something hard.
I'm gonna kick that.
Kick it.
Matter of fact,
No.
don't even touch it. Let go.
No.
They gonna pull that bitch like, I did it, brother.
Yeah. I'm not really sure how to work this one.
Principal, on the side.
Over here.
You ugly, bro.
Why didn't they cook the meat?
One, you can pay 600 for this shit.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not gonna call her ugly. Don't be calling her ugly. Just because that's your sister don't mean you get to say stuff like that. That ain't right. He being petty again. But I guess that's how it is. Maybe it's done. Maybe they cooked it and it just looked like that.
Smell the fridge.
It's that.
The fridge smelled like straight open dog hair booty juice. Yo, let's go, man. Shot o'clock, man. Shot o'clock. Let's go. We by the pool. Let's get it. Grab the shot glasses, twin. Grab the shot glasses, twin. Grab them shot glasses, twin. You ready? Look, nah, ain't no running. Let go. We by the pool. Shot o'clock. I may even jump in there bit before the wedding. I got a haircut coming. I can jump in the pool now. I got a haircut coming. I can jump in the pool now.
You said what to me?
I got a haircut coming. I can jump in it. Don Julio and Neho for the freak hoe. Huh?
I need a cut too, nigga.
Look, bro, this ain't a cut convention.
Nigga, I need a cut, so who cutting your bitch?
Right. Why don't you cut your boy? What's up?
But my niggas in the dope convention?
Yeah.
You need a haircut too?
You need a
Y'all need a haircut?
I need a haircut, twin.
You want a fade top?
No.
A little fade.
She said, hey, they say y'all trying to line up y'all mustaches.
Y'all rude. He being really petty today. She about to hit you. You ain't even wrong if you hit him right now, girl.
So now, let me stop playing. I'm playing.
Let's take these shots.
Let's take where you going, babe? Where's you going? Come here. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. I told. What did he say? I don't think it's wrong though. Follow me, twin. Like barking over dinner. Yeah. I was supposed to wait to when you had this tiny presidential. Yeah.
Y'all about to give me copyright.
Hey, Armand's. Can you see me? Yeah. Hey, Armand's channel. Hi, guys. How's life? I am taking over today. Say hey, babe.
That's just fine with us, Reginae. I hope your voice okay. Look like y'all had fun last night.
Ganger 10. Earlier, we was in the pool, and they dumped me in the pool, and my whole entire, hey Lena, and my whole entire head.
Make ice cream. Want some ice cream?
Yeah, some ice cream.
Yeah, can we get some ice cream?
Oh, cotton candy. Are you selling? Yeah, I want that. Yeah, I want that. I love y'all. Okay, y'all, we is walking up. We trying to see. Yeah.
Let's see what we on.
All the boats.
Look, they already dancing, but they...
Your phone is not gonna work.
Bro, is that the Titanic, bro?
Why do you play?
You was being mean.
Oh, he was on you. Grandma was being mean to you.
When you was coming up the stairs, Grandma, I said, hey, Grandma. You said, hey.
Well, I ain't even recognize you all the time.
I was in the one with her camera.
Well, I was looking for you. I'm always asking where you at.
Girl. Oh, Grandma love you. Oh, that's so sweet. She love Armand. Hope you don't love Armand though. But you know, he all needs some attention. Like that lady, she just got there. She looking at everybody else. She ain't got time for you, Armand. He just want him some sugar.
Oh, let me tell you about my grandma. My grandma is still your man.
She said, is that the one with the camera?
She say, Grandma, Mr. Still your man. I see. She already got her some sugar.
She said it was in a tote bag that had a camera.
Grandma still look nice too. You better watch her. She said, if you ain't gonna marry him, I will.
Yeah.
I like the sis who grabbed the guitar and she started to rock and roll with the mariachis. That's what you do. Bro got the accordion. Y'all ain't paying